course, the energy is high, but the grid, we know the story. What if I told you that on Monday, we made history right here in Nigeria? I'm Dr. Sola, and right next to me is the future of Nigerian mobility. This is the Sigenergy 25 kilowatt DC EV charger. I believe this is the very first one installed on Nigerian soil. We're not just talking about charging a car, we're talking about changing how we power our lives. Before we dive into the specs, let's go to the basics. What actually is an EV charger? Think of it as the bridge between the energy in your home or the sun and the battery in your car. Most people are used to AC charging. Those slow wall boxes that take 8 to 12 hours to fill a car. It's like filling a drum with a garden hose. But what we have here is a DC direct current fast charging. This keeps the car's internal converter and pumps power directly into the battery. It's the difference between a trickle and a flood. Why Sigenergy? So why did I choose Sigenergy for this landmark installation? In the world of renewables, Sigenergy is the Apple of energy systems. It's an AI integrated 5-in-1 system. Usually, you need a separate inverter, a separate battery controller, a separate charger. Sigenergy brings it all into one ecosystem. This 25 kilowatt unit is part of the SigenStor family. It's modular, it's sleek, and most important for our climate, it is incredibly robust. It's designed to handle the heat and the fluctuations we face daily in Lagos. Why is this superior to the standard chargers you see elsewhere? Speed. At 25 kilowatts, you can add significant range in just an hour. Perfect for a quick lunch break or a meeting. Efficiency. It has a 96% efficiency rating. In a country where every watt counts, we can't afford to waste energy. Intelligence. It uses AI to optimize charging based on your solar production and the grid's health. Before I show you the magic trick this charger can do, I need a favor from you. My mission as Dr. Sola is to bring you content that you simply wouldn't see anywhere else in Nigeria. We are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in our country. The YouTube algorithm needs to know that Nigerians care about tech. So please hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below. Tell me, are you ready to go electric in Lagos? Your engagement helps me keep the solar revolution moving forward. Now for the headline feature. This isn't just a charger. This is a bi-directional DC charger. So, can you see this? In Nigeria, light out is a daily reality. But with this Sigenergy system, your electric vehicle becomes a massive backup battery for your house. This unit allows vehicle to home, V2H. When the grid goes down, this 25 kilowatt charger can pull power out of your car battery to run your ACs, your fridge, and your lights. Your car isn't just a mode of transport anymore. It is your personal power plant. History was made on Monday. The first 25 kilowatt Sigenergy DC charger in Nigeria is officially online. We are moving away from noise, away from fumes, and moving towards a cleaner, more independent Nigeria. I'm Dr. Sola, bringing you the brightest tech from the heart of Lagos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay powered up.